Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, we are going to do another announcement because it seems to be we can't even give stuff away on this channel.
Ooh, Apple Pad.
Because we did an iPad announcement for the 1 million subscribers.
We've reached 1 million subscribers! Yeah!
And one person was in with a chance of winning an iPad.
What is that?
I don't know what that says.
But that person who won never got in touch with us. We did try to get in touch with them as well, but no joy. So it's a rollover. Your chance. So here's how you can win the iPad. All you need to do is comment below on this video with the hashtag 1 million subs. And what we'll do is the same thing as we did in the previous video. We'll select somebody by random who comments on this video and we'll do another video showing you who's won. And hopefully, fingers crossed, that person will get in touch with us, or we can at least get in touch with them. Because, you know, we need to give it away. It's just sat doing nothing.
Just like me.
And we need to give it away. Who wants it? Comment below on this video. You might be the lucky winner.